for many organisations that they know that change needs to happen, and there's a better way of doing things that is different to the way that things have always been done within that company. But it's really using this analytics to quantify what the cost savings and time savings can be in order to put a business case for change forward.
The main purpose of the business analyst team is to conduct the three main assessments that we have to offer. We start by looking at all the documents produced within the work environment. We then look at which users and departments are involved in this. Moving then into the document analytics study, we're looking at the processes involved in that, and then by detailing out those processes, we can see where there's scope for digitization. They are all with the main purpose of understanding the current situation of the organisation and seeing where we could maybe help to improve efficiencies, make cost savings, improve the security around documents in the organisation. If a company wants us to focus on something specific, then that's exactly what we will have as the main focus of our assessments. And then within our assessments, we also like to consider the individuals, the users involved in that. It could be the IT department. How are we helping the IT department to reduce the number of calls they're getting? How are we actually helping the individual users within, for example, the accounts department? How are we helping them to really optimize what they're doing on a day-to-day basis and give them time back? So it's really about helping the business as a whole with their company drivers, as well as the departments and the users, how we're helping them on a more individual basis. Once we have all this information, we can generate what we call an opportunity scorecard. That ranks all the processes within a department or an organisation and says which ones have the most scope for optimization, which ones have the most waste paper, which ones are costing the company the most or have the most opportunity to save costs.
We'll feed back to the organisation what the particular departmental requirements or individual requirements are within the organisation. And from that, we'll be able to make some recommendations of where we can see some quick win improvements or ways in which we can help to transition that particular organisation to a more optimised fleet. We've been driving assessments for over 10 years within our organisation, and we've got a vast array of customers across the various different sectors, including legal, finance and retail, in which we can draw from. So I feel that we differentiate ourselves because we can benchmark our customers against what the rest of the market is doing, and we always look to challenge our customers about a different way they could be working. So using that information that we obtain from the analytics, we'll create what-if scenarios and work with that customer to design the optimum solution, whether it be on a device analytics level or on a process-led approach to how they could be working in the future.